Alright guys, in this quick video I will show you how to create these viral white flash cutout transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive in. First, place your playhead between the two clips and then duplicate the second clip, right click on it and scroll down and choose add frame mode. Next, move forward 3 frames, make a cut and delete the rest. Place those 3 frames between the first clip and the original second clip. Now click on it, go and choose the object mask tool and mask out your subject. Then go to the mask settings, right click on the mask and choose convert it to opacity mask. For the final step, head over to the effects panel and search for levels and drag it into the 3 frame clip. In the effect control panel, set the white input value to 0 and the black output value to 250. And that's it. Let's check out the final result. Repeat the same steps for the rest of your clips to recreate the full effect. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one. Peace.